Well, it's now 9 o'clock at night, and I haven't stopped. I didn't want to video camera all my destruction, but brace yourselves. I know, and I'm been trying to take this whole wiring out here in one piece, labeling bits I've been taking apart, so it just makes it easier to put it into the Lambo, and then trying to figure out which bit I need of this loom and which bit I don't, because really I only want a bit that makes the engine run. All the rest of it been chucked because I got a custom lead, custom wiring harness for all the lights and everything that I can integrate into this lot. So yeah, so that's where I am. And nearly there, just pulling this out through here, and I think I got one more plug and then it's out. And then I'm gonna wash up and relax in front of the TV. So I'll probably catch you in the morning. Right, well, I've managed to get all the wiring out in one go, all labelled, nothing broke, and she is bare, man. There's nothing in there. I'm knackered now. Right, bit of a stalemate here now because I got all this stuff and I'm quite not sure what to do with it all. But I've got the pedals now, the pedal box and everything, and I was just wondering if to use it all or to buy a separate kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this lot up, see if I can make it fit, and go from there. If it don't, I'm going to have to buy a different kit, one for kit cars or something like that. See if I can get that in there then. So let's cut this up and see what happens. Okay, so we've cut the accelerator off. And let's see what we got to work with here. So, oh, look at that. Like a dream. It's like a bloody dream, that is. I was meant for it. Well, this thing is massive, absolutely huge. This is the window, top of the front window, and I'll be in a dashboard. So it's not going to work. Bummer. Bloody hell, man. So I have to buy a separate unit. Right, what I've decided to do is cut and chop these ones up. See my lovely piece of wood hanging up, mocking it up for my feet. To be honest, they're a bit too short, too close to the ground, so I might have to cut them and higher them a bit more, I think, and try and remount it somehow. It's a bit of a fiddly game, really, like trying to get it all fit in. And then that master cylinder, then I'm gonna I'll mount it out here, and then have two rods going back, which would be extend that rod and extend the other rod for the clutch, so then it could push and hopefully operate the brakes. Oh, that's the plan anyway.